Hi, this is Nick from Audiolab. Today we're going to be unboxing the Paradigm Founder 40B, which is their brand new line bookshelf speaker in their Founder series. Same as the rest of them, you open these from the bottom. Be very careful when you open these things. You don't want to damage anything. I suggest opening the flaps, removing the plastic from the bottom so that it is prepared. And these are very, small speakers, so you can do this alone, as opposed to some of their bigger floor standers, which you might have a little problem with. Registration card. We're going to take out the whole top piece of foam to start. Looks like we have the grill attached here. Now I am just going to flip the whole thing upside down, carefully of course, and we're going to remove that top. So, let's see what this thing looks like. Oh, and we still do have the protective covering from the factory. Nice and close with this thing. And this is the walnut finish, the 40B bookshelf. Let's get some of this stuff out of here. So we are very, very excited about these speakers. We're expecting really, really great things. I personally have not heard them yet, but they have a very, very cool design to them, which we will get into. Here's the back. You can see the back port. Connections, pretty straightforward bookshelf speaker. The one thing that I'm not sure if you can see is the taper. When I saw this in the photos, it's really hard to kind of see how tapered it is. It has a very, very heavy taper to it, and it's beautiful. It's gorgeous. I was really, really impressed with the construction of this cabinet, how it looks, and how it feels. Very solid build, very tough. Not a lot of vibrations going on with this thing. So we're going to get into it, and we're going to see how these things sound.